Hello, students. So, we wound up last time generally just going over the basics of Excel here. And as you can see, I already have this little thing for Nintendo already made up. This is essentially what yours is going to probably wind up looking like. You don't have to pick Nintendo, and matter of fact, since I did Nintendo, I suggest you don't do mine. But we have ourselves a link, and if I click this link, it'll wind up sending me to the necessary page needed. I also have these little spark lines, which track the change in row to row, and I have a graph that tracks all these numbers that I've put into the graph. In these little cells. And as you can see, it's nice, it's easy to read. If it printed out on a sheet, all these lines would be gone, they'd be white, but it'd be a nice, clean looking sheet. So this is generally what you're going to wind up doing for your assignment this upcoming week. Now, how did I get all these numbers, and how did I even get all this? So, first things first, before we even touch Excel, I want you to go online, and I want you to go to Google, and we're just going to Google Yahoo Finance. Okay, so we're going to just pick a company. Pick any company you feel like. So for example, if I were to pick, I don't know, Apple. There we go, I'm going to pick Apple, and look, here's Apple's data, their opening bid, their stock market, all that sort of fun stuff. But anyway, you just go to this tab over here that says Financials. Click that little Financials tab, and here you go. You'll have total revenue, cost of revenue, gross profit, operating income, net income, net income from operating income or loss, all this sort of fun stuff. All these sort of stats that really only matter if you're actually in the stock market. But we could pick Amazon. Oh, look, there's all the numbers for Amazon. You know what, heck, we'll pick Microsoft, whatever. Microsoft Corporation. Here they are, so on and so forth, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, just pick some sort of company. One that you'll at least have a total revenue, a cost of revenue, a gross profit, and a net income. Just those four things. Those are the only four things we're going to care about right now. If you have a company that doesn't have one of those four listed, chances are they're probably not a big enough company or they're privately owned. We're going to just pick a company whose data we can find on Yahoo Finance or some other site, and we can actually plug these numbers in. Because it's really easy. See, like, oh, look, here's my 2018 numbers right here. Here's my 2017 numbers. Here's my 2016 numbers. Here's my 2015 numbers. So on and so forth. And we can just plug those numbers in, nice and easy, into here, which is what we're going to wind up doing. And we're only going to want 3 years. So, first and foremost, find a company, tell me what company it is, put your name on this, so on and so forth, and then we can plug those numbers in, format them to however it is you see fit, and then we're going to get into some actually interesting stuff. So, I recommend you find your company, plug it in, do all this, and then once you're done that, come back and I'll show you how to start making spark lines and graphs and all this sort of fun stuff.